Hi there, this is Tafakari Initiative and welcome to our channel. We hope that you had an informative time with us as we continue to explore various topics in both technology and education. And even as we continue to explore the interface between these two, we also are looking at new innovations in technology that would be interesting to drive the process of learning. And we're not just addressing learners in school, but also looking at how the community as a whole can benefit from various technologies that can be able to assist learning. We realize that one of the ways that this has actually been made possible is the use of the mobile phone, because we've got a very high mobile phone penetration rate in Africa. So we've got various ways through which you can be able to promote learning through mobile technologies. There are even programs that can be able to work without smartphones, making mobile learning one of the best ways to reach a wide audience in Africa. So one of the firms that is doing this is a firm called Arifu. Basically, how Arifu works is it brings technology and content to meaningfully engage audiences, and it's actually an interactive chatbot that provides a familiar way to learn skills, discover products, and earn rewards. There is no SMS fees or content subscription because the content is supported by Arifu's partners, and it's also easy to use because it's actually a chatbot that gives you the impression of chatting with a human being. And it's accessible on any phone with or without internet or by SMS, and it can also be accessed on apps like Messenger and WhatsApp. So it's personalized in that you can be able to structure the content to fit a particular region or a particular topic, or to even cover a particular set of events in time. One of the things that you can be able to use this platform for is you can do marketing with it. It's also a way with which you can be able to access data about the audience that you're dealing with. One of the advantages that it brings is that you're able to reach a very large audience for approximately 1 to 10% of what you do in other marketing methods. So it's a very interesting platform, and I don't think anyone had foreseen how you'd be able to use a chatbot or AI to drive communication, but we've got a very good example here. So there are also case studies on their homepage, so you can be able to look at that. When you go to Impact, you can see how Arifu has been able to help different companies solve different challenges that they're experiencing. So in the case study here, they talk about a multinational agricultural business that had a pretty significant turnover, $14 billion, and using Arifu, they were able to reduce their cost of delivering information from 2,000 shillings or $20 to about $1 or 100 shillings per farmer, and they were able to engage 250,000 farmers. And in the pilot that they did with 5,000 Kenyan farmers, they were able to help improve 21 categories of behavior related to good agricultural practices. They were able to increase farmer yields by over half, and also increased income per acre by 18,700 shillings or $187. So it's actually something that has been proven to work, and it does quite a good job. And they've got case studies there, one of a farmer from Meru, and there's also a lady also who talks about how the app has been of benefit to her. But the thing that's coolest about this app is they have a demo on the site which you can try, so that's what we're going to look at. So just click on demo, and to get started it says type any active program code where it says enter message. So you can type any active program code they have. So I'm going to start with Arifu because that's my first interaction with the program. And from there, once you click on send, it should then give you some sort of return. Yes, so having typed Arifu and clicked on send, it's brought me some feedback. It says, I'm Arifu, I've helped 1 million plus people learn business, farming and more. So reply with want to accept my policy and learn free. So I decided to explore what kind of policy they have. So they've got the various options there. You can accept, opt out, you can look at the policy or move to Swahili. So I entered number 3 to look at the policy. So the policy is summarized over the course of 9 messages, and to continue you will enter the letter A. It talks about the company, which is Akago Kenya Limited, in brackets Arifu, and you collect information including your name, phone number, age, gender and location. So of course this is information that's useful for partners because they can be able to understand the kind of audience that they are reaching out to, or the kind of audience they have in their preferred market. They also talk about the data sharing policy, that they do inform the public or the user that they will share the data, but they also say that they will inform them should they use it in a different way. They also talk about an opt-out of the services, and that you can also query them and find out what kind of data they have. Having gone through that policy, now I'll enter number 1 to accept the policy and continue on to Arifu. And so as you can see, that gives us a list of 9 potential areas to explore. So there's one, a profile where you can build your profile. You can also get COVID-19 help. You can get business, you can get finance, you can get information on farming, you can get information on the weather forecast. This is especially very useful for farmers. You can also get information on how to build homes, and also information on different apps. And there's also the option to shift to Swahili language. This is a very, very, very interactive service, and the best thing about it is that it's free. So I've chosen 7, which is home building, just to look at what this topic is like. So I have some feedback here. 9 options about getting the plan, planning your building money, selecting a fundi, selecting materials, how to monitor the work, and there's also a quiz. There's also an option to tell friends, and also an option for Swahili and one for back. So as you can see, it's a very interesting app. This is something that for our business owner I'd probably be interested in for disseminating information. I would want to use a platform like this. So looking at what the profile is like, you can create a profile and then start learning. So in this profile, they collect biodata like age and the county. So I actually replied Kenya. I should have read that correctly. They also ask about source of income, and they also ask about the gender. So this is just to get a basic profile of what the user is like, and of course by profiling them in terms of age, location, and income, and also income generation activity, this enables them to sort the users in a way that they can be able to understand who to push what content to. So it's a pretty useful tool also for just getting information about the ground and also getting information to farmers. So it's something you can explore on your own. So just go to search engine and search for Arifu. Explore and see where it takes you. So from us at Tafakari Initiative, we're excited about the product and we're hoping that you enjoy using it as well. And so as always from us, it's happy learning.